Out first, Priti Pragya Koro and Suchasmita Pradhan second, Asrita Priyadarshini plus 2 first year. ODI essay first Siddhartha Sahu plus 2 first year science, Subhasri Das plus 2 first year art second, Annapurna Malik plus 2 first year science, stood first in ODI essay competition, Subhasri Das plus 2 first year art. The stood second in ODI essay. Congratulations, student in the English essay competition. Got third prize. In quiz competition, class 2 section, quiz Pragya Sahu, class 2 first science, Suchasmita Pradhan and I Sadhan. Both stood first in quiz competition. Priti Priya Sahu class 2 first science stood first. Suchasmita Pradhan, Annapurna Malik got third prize. Suchasmita Pradhan class 2 first you have secured second position. Then Rangoli competition, Rangoli, Sohali Priyadarshini Sahu, class 2 first science. In Rangoli competition, first Sohali Priyadarshini Sahu, first science. Sonali Subbalakshmi Jyoti, Alpana. In Alpana competition,